I wanted to unpack from this weekend. I just got back from an amazing trip in LA. We saw a Star Wars burlesque show. It was so cool, amazing. So I collected like a bunch of papers and ephemera, what I call ephemera, like menus from breweries we went to, packaging, pretty much trash, you know, stuff that you would normally throw away. I collect all of that and then I put it in a journal. Because it's not hoarding if it ends up in a journal, right? So I think I want to do a little bit of journaling with that today. I still need to print off some pictures, but we did a lot of eating and drinking and a little bit of shopping. I went to Daiso, Japan. There's like a million Daisos in LA. It's amazing. But we went to kind of like, it seemed like a little Tokyo kind of area. And they had really good food and fun shops, so of course I had to hit up Daiso. Kept the bag, of course, because I paid for it. And it's definitely gonna be used in my journal. It's perfect. And I got a few things. So, oh, we also got sushi. So I saved like the chopstick wrappers, our receipts, the business card, the menu, anything that's not bolted down I will take from a restaurant. But these are a few things I picked up at Daiso. They're gifts, but look at how cute these little bunnies. It's like a Lunar New Year coming up, right? So, whoops. There was lots of like bunny themed items. Ah, how cute is that? Oh, so cute. Okay. And there's 2 of them. I'm so happy. So I can give one to my pen pal and I can keep one for my journal. And there's like a little pocket in the back so you can put, I'm guessing money, or little trinkets, whatever. I don't know. So cute. And Daiso's like the dollar store, so everything is $1.75, I think. Here's some bunny page flags. These are also a gift. Maybe I'll take a few of each, but yeah, those are going to my pen pal, and then this is going to her. These are really cool envelopes. I'm definitely gonna save some of these for my journal. They're so cool. They're just like large envelope pockets, but they're adorable. Oh, there's 6 in here. Perfect. Adorable Alice in Wonderland, kind of like money sized envelopes. Beautiful. Love it. Cute. Okay, and then I physically cannot resist buying washi tape, so let's see, I'm trying to make some room here for all these washi tapes. Luckily there was enough room in my luggage left over for all this. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so, oh, the lighting is horrible right now. I don't think that helps at all. Whatever. Okay, maybe if I zoom in. Okay, that'll help. But look at this washi tape. Oh my gosh, it's like really thick. And it kind of looks like duct tape material, but I am gonna destroy these because it's so cute. I love black and white and pink. I don't know, the colors do not look good right now. There's too much sun. I never thought I would say that as a California girl. And I've got these ridiculous nails on that I did for the Star Wars show, but I'm so ready to take them off. Oh, it's just 1 roll of washi tape. I love it. That's cool. I thought it was 2 thin rolls. Oh, I should have brought the blue one. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Oh, I got distracted. We were trying to open this one, but my nails. The next washi tape I got was this one. And it just has these like gold foil keys on it. And I have like a jar full of keys, a little like key collection. So So this one just like spoke to me. I was like, I need to collect the shiny keys. Oh, so cute. Okay, this one is adorable. I love it. It's like a really dark navy blue with gold stars on it. Beautiful, just totally makes my Ravenclaw heart happy. That's cute. I like that. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. So 90s. There's like nothing on this roll. Oh, that's funny. But it's cute. I like it. Next, look at how shiny these are. They're so shiny. Get 10 of them. Wrapping ribbon. It's a good amount on each of the rolls. I love the white one. I love them all. They're so shiny. Blinding. I had to get the sunflowers. I have like a sunflower tattoo. It's hard to see. Die cut, so there's kind of like a border on them. Oh, gorgeous. And the tulips. They're so pretty. And they're roses. I had to get the roses to go with the sunflowers. So cute. Oh, they're so pretty. Nice, pretty, fluffy pink roses. Oh, that's adorable. Definitely using that for all my Disney trips. So cute. Okay, and I think this is the last little thing. I just love the pink and the blue, and I love the grid washi tape. I feel like I go through a lot of that. And then these other colors were just so pretty. Love it. Very cute. Love this pink one. Gorgeous. So yeah, that's all of the little things I picked up at Daiso. Nice little washi tape haul. Unexpected washi tape haul. I need to figure out a way to store all these washi tapes because my drawers are getting full. Oh my gosh, I should zoom out so you can, oh god, wrong way. So rusty today. All right, here we go. A bunch of washi tapes, these cute little page flags, and envelopes. Yeah, it's not too shabby. So I think I'm gonna do like a swatch page of all of these washies in my composition book. Can't tell if the lighting is any better, but I did a washi swatch page. Look at all those beautiful washi tapes. I love it. Gorgeous. I didn't even have room for the 10 super shiny minis, so I'm gonna need to put them on a different page. They're so shiny. Love it. Love all the washies. And that's a page done in my journal. And this is a bag, so I might stuff some things in there. These are so shiny. Shiny. You can't even tell, like this way. Blindingly shiny. They're kind of transparent, like jelly. Perfect. Fork. Son of a fork. Okay, so after a little bit of repair and smoothing out, we are back in business. I love how these washi tape pages turned out. I was a little too rough with this really thin composition notebook paper. You know, it's just copy paper. It's not meant to take so much abuse. But a little washi tape and we're back in business. I love how this washi tape swatch page turned out. It reminds me of like the shopping trip itself, being LA and going to Daiso, and it reminds me of what washi tapes I have in my stash. So it's like a win-win, and it's just so cute. I love this shiny, super shiny washi tape. I think it's just adorable. And this video is already getting kind of long, so I think I'm gonna separate the washi and haul portion of this travel journal video, and I'm gonna do the actual travel journaling over on Patreon. So if you guys want to check that out, I will have the links in the description. If you guys want any more information, usually it's in the description. No promises though, I'm not the best at updating it. But I try and post every week an exclusive video over on Patreon just to say thank you to my amazing, wonderful patrons who support me and support this channel, because it's with their help that I'm able to, you know, do these fun projects and even, you know, travel. So I don't take it for granted, and I love y'all so much. I just wanted to give you kind of a little flip through of the completed pages, because I think they turned out so cute. I love looking back on the memories of the trip. Like, saving all of these little bits just triggers those memories, and it's fun to look back on. So one person's trash, like, you know, receipts and chopstick wrappers and paper, pieces of random paper, you know, I save all of that because it reminds me of the trip and it's my treasure. And if I put it in a journal, it's not hoarding, right? So I love this way of documenting my memories, just kind of smashing all of the little junk journal, junk drawer bits into a composition book. It's really been working for me. I have a full playlist of composition book videos if you guys want to check it out. I just thought I would give you a little closer look at the pages I did today. Thank y'all so much for hanging out and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these cool new washi tapes, or new to me at least. And until I see y'all in the next one, stay creative.